Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2008 Hyundai Accent. Step 1, use a 10mm wrench or socket to take off the negative terminal from the battery post. Step 2, disconnect the positive terminal from the battery post itself. There's a battery bracket that is holding down the center of this battery right here. So you would need a ratchet set. You would need a long extension with a 13mm socket to take off this bolt that is holding down the battery itself, that is right in the center of this car. Just turn it clockwise until you feel it loosen up. Then you reach down with your hand and grab it with your hand. Then you'll be able to lift the battery straight out of the car itself. Now the battery that we're installing back in this car is the world's best reconditioned battery. Next step is you want to go ahead and put that battery bracket down back in the center of that battery box. Then get your ratchet and turn it clockwise and get that bolt in the middle and just tighten up that battery bracket itself. Next, you want to go ahead and connect your positive terminal. Use your 10mm socket or wrench to tighten up that bolt. Your next step is you want to go and connect your negative terminal back onto that post of the negative side of the battery itself, and use your wrench or your socket and turn it clockwise and turn up that bolt as well. You'll feel it tighten up. Make sure the ground is definitely secured and tight, because that cranks your car. If the ground is loose, which is the negative terminal, your car won't crank. This is exactly how you install a battery in a 2008 Hyundai Accent.